Hey there, welcome to the ASUS Business Support Center. This portal is designed for business customers to easily manage your service needs in batch, so you don't have to handle things one by one. To get started, just click Access Now to log in with your PA account. And you will see 4 main functions right here at the bottom. These are online repair, warranty status inquiry, repair status inquiry, and warranty update. First, online repair. This is where you can submit repair requests for multiple products all at once. Next, warranty status inquiry. You can upload a list of serial numbers and check their warranty status right away. Then we have repair status inquiry. This is a quick way to track where your repairs are at and all in one view. And lastly, warranty update. Just upload your invoices and serial numbers and you can update warranty info for a whole batch of products. Oh, and there is also the ASUS Learning Library. It got some great resources like business support guides, PA training program, ASUS premium care information, and even videos, tutorials like laptop teardowns. Alright, in the next few videos, we'll go through each function step by step, and let's get started. Hi. In this video, we will show you how to submit multiple repair requests at once using the Batch Online Repair function on the Business Support Center. From the Business Support Center homepage, click Access Now to log in with your PA account. After logging in, click Online Repair. You can change the display language using the globe icon. I will go with English in this video. Check the agreement box, click Enter. You can see the repair process has 5 steps. In step 1, upload product info. You can either batch upload an Excel file on the left or enter a single serial number on the right. We will use the batch upload option. You click download sample to get the Excel template. You will see the serial number, accessory to be sent with the products, and product issue description are the required fields. And operating system, computer password, and BIOS password are optional. And here I have prepared a file with 5 products, each with different issue descriptions such as hang-on boot, screen flickering, keyboard not responding. Back on the website, you upload the Excel. You select the file and upload. Okay, all 5 products uploaded successfully with no errors, and you click Submit to continue. So in step 2, the system automatically assigns a shipping type to each product based on its service policy. So here all 5 are set to PUR in and out, and you can delete or edit if needed. On the right. If everything looks correct, you click Next Step. So step 3 is where you assign a claim code to each product. You can see each item listed here with its serial number, warranty status, and issue description. And the description right here is still editable here if you need to make changes. And there are 2 ways to add claim codes. The first is to add manually. You have to select the claim group, claim code, frequency, scenario, step by step, and you can see the selected issue right here, and you can add more than 1 if needed. Click Submit. Okay, so the second way is using the AI suggestion. So first you click the AI agreement box, and you click Batch AI Suggestion, and to generate suggestion for all products all at once. So the system would analyze each issue description and recommends matching claim codes. For example, for screen flickering, it suggests several options under display problem. You select the best match and manually select the failure frequency, scenario, and submit. Okay. So once everything is set, you click Submit Completed Info, and the data cannot be modified, so please double check the content. So click Submit. And here, the step 4, you have to confirm info, so please verify all the required fields is filled in. So you click the agree. Also, you can download the list you just submitted as a record. So you click submit. So now your batch repair requests have been submitted. You can track the progress later using the repair status inquiry function. Thank you. Hi guys, in this video we will show you how to check warranty status for multiple products at once using the batch warranty status inquiry function. From the Business Support Center homepage, click Access Now to log in with your PA account. And after logging in, select Warranty Status Inquiry. You will see two options. The left is for a single product, and the right is for all products under your PA account. Select the right option. On this page, the upper section is supposed to display existing warranty records under your account, and the lower section allows you to upload a file for batch query with a maximum of 100 entries. Click Download Template to get the upload file. Open it in Excel. And you can see the template has just one column. It's product serial numbers. So you just enter it, the one you would like to find out, one per row. Save the file. Back on the website, click Browse to select your file. Then click Submit. Ta-da! Here are the results. The system displays each product's type, serial numbers, model name, service policy, warranty status, warranty expiration date. And if you would like to keep a copy, just click Download. And that's it for the batch warranty status inquiry. Thank you for watching. Hi. In this video, we will show you how to check the repair status for multiple products at once using the batch repair status inquiry function. From the Business Support Center homepage, click Access Now to log in with your PA account. After logging in, select Repair Status Inquiry. You will see two options. The left is for checking a single product, and the right is for all products under your PA account. Select the right option. The upper section displays existing repair records under your account, and you can filter by repairing or repair finished. And you can see different statuses. So the lower section allows you to upload a file for batch query with a maximum of 100 entries. You click Download Template to get the upload file. So this template has two columns, RMA number and product serial number. So you enter the RMA numbers and product serial number you would like to track, and you save the file. Click Browse to select the file. Click Submit. And here are the results. You can switch between repairing, repair finished, and the results show each repair's RMA number, serial number, product type, model name, warranty, shipping type, applied date, receipt date, estimated complete date, and repair statuses. If you'd like to keep a copy, simply click Download to export the results. And that's it for the batch repair status inquiry. Thank you for watching. Hi, in this video, we will show you how to upload invoices and update warranty information for multiple products using the batch warranty update function. From the Business Support Center homepage, select Warranty Update, the last function on the right, and you will need to authenticate your PA account. You will see two options. The left is for updating a single product, and the right is for updating multiple products at once. Select the right one. Now you see the system displays your account information. Please note that all products from the same invoice should be uploaded to the same group. So when you're ready, click Upload Invoice. So in the Upload Invoice window, you will need to provide three things. First, select the invoice date. It has to match with the date on your invoice. Okay, second, upload the product list. So you download the template and enter this is the product serial numbers on your invoice. Click Save, Browse. Okay, so the third one, you have to upload the product invoice file. Okay, so the system accepts different kinds of formats, including like JPG, PNG, PDF, and so on. So this is my invoice in PDF format. And once everything is filled in and you check the correctness, and you just click Save. So your first invoice is now saved and marked with a check mark here. And you can edit or you can delete it on the right side. If you have additional invoices for other products, you just click Upload More Invoices to another group, and you can upload, I think, 5 groups in total. So each group will be being one invoice with its corresponding serial numbers. So once all invoices are ready, you check the agreement box, then click Submit. Okay, thanks for your application. So you will receive a confirmation email once the warranty update has been processed. So yeah, I think that wraps up the batch warranty update tutorial. Thank you for watching.